Sometimes you will come across a scenario where you want to convert a variable in one data type to another data type. There may be a case where some function can work only in string, but we have a variable which is integer. So we need some way to convert integer to string. This is called casting. For example, let's say we have to remove the last character from an integer variable. There could be two options. One, you could do the integer division by 10, or you can convert it to string and then slice out the last number. For such scenarios, we can use store function to convert a number into string. For example, if we have a number, let's say 25, and we wrap it in the store function, then we get back string 25. Let's also save this value to a variable, let's say num, and let's check the data type of num, and for sure it returns string. Similarly, you can convert floating point number to integer using int function. So int 25.12 returns 25. Note that this always rounds down the number. So int 25.75 will also result in 25. You can also convert integer to floating point number using float function. So float 25 will return 25.0. Let's ensure the type of the return value and it's float as expected.